Within Ward Parks, we have 4 opportunities where art will be placed.
My piece is called Victoria Ward Fish Pond. Most of my subjects deal with the water, the ocean.
I'm hoping the people enjoy my piece, and I really appreciate them installing it outdoors where people can relate to it, can walk around it, and feel they're part of the piece.
I think the birds at Ward Village will give you a sense of peace and tranquility.
I made a sculpture called Wayfinding, so you can see through it. I want to make the nebulous tangible.
So a lot of our vision behind the parks and the design elements related to how we think the community is going to interact with them was always known as a gathering space and places for both the family but also people passing by to get together.
We are there to listen to the place and make sure that comes out in our designs.